Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share with you some fascinating stories from the world of space and astronomy. Today, we're going to take a journey back in time to the 1950s, when astronomers at the Palomar Observatory were busy capturing images of the night sky. But what they didn't expect to find were mysterious, transient flashes of light that have left scientists baffled to this day. These fleeting events were detected in archival images from the Palomar Observatory Sky Survey, which was conducted between 1949 and 1957. The survey used a large telescope to photograph the entire sky, and when researchers re-examined these old images, they found hundreds of unexplained flashes of light that appeared as brief, star-like objects. What's even more intriguing is that these transients seem to be associated with nuclear testing and reports of unidentified, anomalous phenomena during that era. Could it be that these mysterious flashes are connected to some kind of artificial object or phenomenon that was present in the Earth's atmosphere or orbit? The researchers behind this discovery, led by Beatrice Villaruel at Nordita in Sweden, have proposed several possible explanations for these transients, including brief light emissions from artificial objects in orbit or objects with anomalous movements in the Earth's atmosphere. They've even suggested that these flashes could be caused by solar reflections off flat, highly reflective surfaces at geosynchronous altitudes. While the origin of these transients remains unknown, this discovery has sparked a lot of interest and debate among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. It's a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about our universe, and that sometimes the most fascinating discoveries can be found in the unlikeliest of places. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the fascinating world of exoplanets and the mysteries surrounding their formation. Today, we're exploring a groundbreaking discovery that could change our understanding of how water-rich planets come to be. Researchers have been simulating extreme conditions found within certain exoplanets by blasting olivine, a mineral abundant in planetary interiors, with high-energy lasers in the presence of hydrogen gas. And what they found is nothing short of astonishing. It appears that under the right conditions, chemical reactions between hydrogen and minerals can produce water locally, offering a viable explanation for water-rich exoplanets orbiting close to their host stars. This process could even account for the origin of some of Earth's water, adding a new piece to a long-standing mystery. The team estimates that the final water content of these planets could range from about 5% to 28% of the planet's mass, resulting in either massive ocean worlds or Hycean worlds harboring an ocean topped with a thick hydrogen layer. The implications are profound, not just for our understanding of exoplanets, but also for the potential habitability of these worlds. And it's not just about distant planets. This discovery could also shed light on the origins of Earth's own water, with evidence suggesting that an early Earth with a thick, hydrogen-rich atmosphere could have driven similar water-forming reactions. We may be looking at a new hypothesis for how our planet came to be the watery world we know today. The possibilities are endless, and the research is ongoing. As we continue to explore the universe and push the boundaries of human knowledge, we're reminded that there's still so much to discover. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue to explore the wonders of our universe, we're also reminded of the challenges that come with pushing the boundaries of space travel. Today, we're going to talk about the impact of the government shutdown on NASA's Artemis 2 mission. This ambitious project aims to return humans to the lunar surface by 2025, but it's facing a significant hurdle due to the ongoing funding stalemate. Thousands of workers across the country, primarily in Florida, Texas, and Alabama, are still reporting for duty to keep Artemis II's launch date on track, despite not receiving their paychecks. This situation is creating inefficiencies that could ultimately impact the mission's schedule. Kurt Shireman, Vice President and Program Manager for Orion at Lockheed Martin, warns that the shutdown will have a significant impact on the overall infrastructure, affecting not just the space program, but also people's lives. As we look up at the stars, we're reminded of the incredible achievements that can be accomplished when humans work together towards a common goal. However, we're also reminded of the fragility of our systems and the importance of finding solutions to the challenges that we face. The Artemis II mission is not just about returning humans to the lunar surface. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and inspiring future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. As we navigate the complexities of space travel, we're also forced to confront the realities of our political and economic systems. The government shutdown is a stark reminder that even the most ambitious projects can be affected by the whims of politics. But it's also a testament to the dedication and perseverance of the men and women who are working tirelessly to make the Artemis II mission a success. As we conclude today's episode of Star Chat, we're left with more questions than answers. Will the government shutdown delay the Artemis II launch? How will the ongoing funding stalemate affect the future of space travel? And what can we do to support the men and women who are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what's possible? That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.